Good morning. Day 3 in Toogoolawah, Queensland. What a gorgeous day. Yep, just packed up the tent, or just hanging it out to dry a bit. Got my coffee and I'm just setting up the bike again for my ride to Esk. That is about 19 k's. So that's where I've come from, and so far I've done 75k. So I've come from Yarraman to the north, and I'm travelling down to Walkaraka to the south. Hopefully there's no wind today, but look, I had the best sleep. I snuck myself up in there in the bushes last night, and it was out of the wind and it was great. Nobody could see me, so I was really pleased. So I had a lot of sleep and getting ready for day 3. Bye to the little town of Toogoolawah. Actually really liked staying here, it was lovely. The old rail station's just there.
Sometimes when I try to reason, you don't seem to listen at all. You don't know if it's just a feeling, or if we are about to fall.
I'm having so much fun. Again, after yesterday.
We'll come back, stay. We'll stand fast, rain. We'll come back, but I know we're stronger.
This must be your worst nightmare, Karen Deal. Look at the wall. I think it's going to get worse. Oh, it's come off. Oh no. Good evening. This is me. This is my little home away from home that I've had for the last few nights. This is my last night, so believe it or not, I'm a little bit sad. It's been really cozy, and the more I use it, the more I get to understand it, and it's taken me, only took me about 10 minutes to put it up today compared to the first day. It took me about 1 hour 40. Anyway, just thought I'd show you this Cedar Summit specific made bike packing tent. It's great. You've got 2 exit points. You can go there or there. It is a 2-man tent. This is a fabulous little idea. It's a light cradle just at the top there that provides my light. I just put a little headlamp in there, and that gives me enough light to do things. Here is my Cedar Summit sleeping bag, my Nemo pillow, and my Nemo sleep mat. So I've got everything sort of quite nice there. This has been a lifesaver. Thank you to my son David Stolhorst, who recommended this. It's an Anchor power bank. That's been brilliant. I'll take it along with me to the pubs, charge it up, and then I can charge up all my things at night time, all my camera gear and what have you. So tonight, last night, and I've just got a book from the campground. Might start reading that. I haven't really been drinking that, but guess what's in there? Old Pulteney. That'll be gone tonight. So anyway, last night, hope it's a nice night here. It's going to be a little bit cold, getting down to 4 degrees tonight. So I'll see you tomorrow.